Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Google Gemini AI for Google Workspace like Google Docs, Gmail, Google Worksheet, etc. on your mobile phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gemini AI. So I'm going to open my Gemini AI right here. After you open up your Gemini AI app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and make sure you go to apps. Then it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here and make sure you turn on this particular button. And this is going to pump up to help you with calendar, tasks, Gmail, Google Drive, and more. Gemini with this and that. You can read the detail right here. Go ahead and click on connect. And with that, you'll be able to use your Google Gemini AI in Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, and Google Keep, etc. Scroll down right there and then your Google Tasks. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Google Gemini AI like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.